Are you going? I'm gonna go after Anna then. You're right, babe. Do you have your phone?
In here. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Oh shit, my phone! Fuck! Fuck my phone.
I'm done. I'm out.
Can you help her up?
Yeah? Okay, hold on just a second.
Shit.
You alright, hon?
Yeah, I got stuck between the tree and this, and it
That's
put me.
alright. Okay, listen, I'm gonna straighten it back out first. I need that in for me. Okay, you let go. Okay, go ahead and pop down inside.
Oh my god, I'm terrified.
Okay, you good? Alright. No, you got it. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, you got it.
I'm worried that might happen again.